Hello and welcome back to the Peachy Keens. Today we're in Lakeland, Florida at Bonnet Springs Park to visit the Florida Children's Museum. Let's go. There it goes. You scored. A two-story house with 8 walls. No, Noah, put the toys on it.
Oh, I got it.
Ah, because he turned it down. All right. The museum provides a variety of programming that is available for free with your admission. The day we were there, we participated in a design challenge, which was called Star Launchers, where the children were challenged to make their own launcher to make their puffball fly into the basket. You shoot it backwards. The museum provided all the materials, and they were even allowed to bring their launchers home afterwards. You made it! These go all the way up, and the cameras shoot out different windows upstairs. Coming soon, Blinky. Big play space with sand pits. Do it again. That is cool. goes to the top. Oh, look at that. You can wash the watermelon. That's really cute. It's just like a little play area for little babies. I can hear pretty good. Sad face.
I'm just kidding. Sad.
Don't wait, you just took his chair. Don't sit back, Jonah.
How's your hands?
My hands are good.
Good. How's your lungs?
No, your tummy.
Tummy.
It's good.
Sad.
All right, so what do I need? Band-Aid, water, a bed, medicine, or a hug?
You need a hug.
Okay, I'll take it.
1 second.
And then
Oh no, we have some sick patients. Now you gotta lift 1 foot. Look at Charlotte. Walk down the street with your crutches. So do they? Jay Burns Pizza. Alright, go hang them back up. Oh yeah. There's no money. Where's all the money? Would you like to cook the pizza?
the balcony pizza.
Uh-oh.
You like the hat?
That's expensive. What's my total?
$55.
$55. Look at all the choices of costumes. Hats, boots, mirrors. Let's see what the boys are doing. The animals.
I made one of mustard on my deluxe mac and cheese. This one. Well, actually, I don't like mustard.
Are you gonna scan it?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Will you get that?
Yes. You're a very quick scanner, sir. You must have been working at Publix for a long time. Here's the farms to sell your fruits and vegetables.
Farms. Ooh.
And always a favorite, the orange factory. Supposed to be the orange juice. House?
Yeah, this is home. What is this? Does this fit me anymore? No, it doesn't. I have to throw that out. Let's wash the washer. Wait, what is this? Hey, I just go
Connect the
sneeze.
pipes to move hot or cold water to each
Mom,
appliance.
sneeze. Sneeze.
Achoo!
Let's go work our Publix. Yeah, I just. Mom, look. Mom, mommy.
Oh. This is Brian. Good job. Keep it going. To show the stormy.
Wait, what should I say? Save? Mom. Mom, watch.
Yeah.
Mom.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My name is whatever. The weather outside is stormy. Tomorrow the forecast is don't go outside. Be sure to pack lots of water and make sure to get out of the house. They're being flooded. Run!
Here's your background. Underwater. Okay. No, now hit record. Hit record. Don't Take a seat to feel the beat.
Huh, how's this work?
You can you feel it? Can you feel it on your bottom?
Yeah.
Oh, that is funny.
What?
What does the button do?
Plays the music.
Takes the music off to just feel the beat, right? Push back in.
What button? What'd you do?
Hold on.
You got a block.
Looking at the inside of a piano. When a piano key is pressed, a hammer strikes a string to make it vibrate. Tap or strum the strings to hear the sounds that are unique to each string. Wait. Listen. You scared everybody away.
I think it's like soundproof.
Oh yeah. Do it again.
Now what should I do?
Hit preview.
This?
Yeah. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to check out our other Central Florida videos. See you next time. Stay peachy.